we are using different type of glasses production and tempered glasses for the your mobile phone Android devices and also the Mac mobile phones or the Mac devices, because it is also available for the laptop. But is what is the advantages of the tempered glasses and the gorilla glasses and dragon tail glasses, and what is the difference between the dragon tail glasses and the gorilla glasses, and what is the 2.5D glass, and what is the difference between 3.0D glass, and what is the scratch resistance, and what is the different type of versions of the glasses. So if you have any questions related to gorilla glasses or the tempered glasses or the screen guards, then watch this video till end, and I will try to tell you everything about the screen guards and the different type of glasses or the difference between the gorilla glasses and the dragon tail glasses, or you can say the gorilla glasses versus the dragon tail glasses. So if you have any question, then watch this video till end. I will try to tell you everything about these things which is can be useful for understanding it properly.
Subscribe the Developer Vikas channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest video updates and notification about uploaded lectures, tricks, deals and other informations.
Hello friends, I am Vikas and you are watching Developer Vikas. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. First, we talk about the how the glasses protects. We know that the every metals or the every substance has its chart which follows the that well how we know that the every substance is on series of the scratch resistance, means every substance has its chart and its place have its place on the scratch resistance chart, and it flows these things that it is how many that it is the resistance. We know that if it's have the very high number of the resistance, then it is very high resistance for and it is not scratched easily, and if you have low number of resistance and it is the in a low category of the this chart, then it is very easily scratched by the any other substance. For example, if you have a substance have its chart place value of 2, then it is easily scratched by the substance which have the charge level value higher than this, means like 3, 4, 5. This is a similar like electrochemistry series. We have also learn this thing from in chemistry, but it's different that every substance or the every material have these things. The gorilla glasses or dragon tail glasses also made like these things, and its chart value or the chart place value is like a 7 to 8. 6 to 7 you can say, and 7 to 8 for the different which is latest version is coming. And we know that the graphite is the very harder and the diamond is the very harder substance are the both the graphite, diamond and carbon and the allotropes, and it is a very harder. So if we are and the place value of this substance is 9 in the it's the substance chart. So if any glass is made in the higher than this place value, then it is not scratched by the anything. But how the gorilla glasses get scratched? We know that the place chart values like a 7, and the substance in our pocket like the metal or the plastic, it's either 3, 4 values which is not scratched by these things. But when you are a dusty area or you can say sand area, then if any sand is falls on your glass, then if you are rubbing this thing, then it is easily scratched by this thing, because the sands have the quartz which can be harms these things. Now we talk about the what is difference between 2.5 and 2.3 D glasses. Both the 2.5D glass and 3 glasses and all the different versions of the gorilla glasses are the same. There was not any difference on all the versions of the gorilla glasses. There is only one difference that it is making the most thin in different version or the earlier one, means If you are using a 2.5D glass, then it is also have the same hardness, it is also same scratch resistance for the average metal, but in comparison to 3D glass, 3D curved glass of the Gorilla Glass, it have more thickness as compared to 3 glass. Means the more version comes or the more new versions, better versions comes, the thickness is get reduced. So there was the only one difference about the Gorilla Glasses of different version. It's only one thing, that is thickness. And now we talk about the Dragontail glasses. Both the Dragontail glasses are the similar things, and of the Gorilla Glasses, it's also the only companies are the difference. But I will not suggest you, if you come, your mobile company is providing the Gorilla Glass protection or Dragontail Glass protection, both are best. But what do you need additional protection of the Tampered glass? If you have any questions related to this in your mind, then my answer is yes, because if you want to get additional protection of your Gorilla Glass and Tempered glass, then you can use a tempered glass of the plastic. I recommend to a plastic tempered glass because it is easily useful and easy to remove and easy to use, and it's available for the 40 to 50 rupees, so you can easily use it, and after using it you can easily through it. So this is the total concept of the Gorilla glasses and Dragontail glasses and different type of versions of the glasses. If you have any questions related to these things, please comment on this video. And if you have anything from this video, then please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Your suggestions are most welcome. And please keep visiting on this channel, because it motivates, and keep visiting on this channel because here you got the most latest technology updates and different type of tech videos. And if you have learned anything from this video, then please like, because it motivates me and gives the enough energy to create new videos which is very useful for understanding different topics.